sometimes running the practice will provide the biggest headaches. It's been harder and harder to find and retain really good team members. There's dozens of things that you would kind of consider about what makes a work environment somewhere that you want to go to or stay at, right? But like, I think certainly the physical space that you work in it's not unimportant. I think it does have some importance. I hope that that's one of those things, if somebody is interviewing at multiple places, that this would be a feather in our cap, that they would maybe not choose to work here solely because of our space, but that if they're considering their different options, that we have this, beautiful, world-class, brand new space that they could come, work in with hopefully a really good work family, and that would be, professionally rewarding for them. So you bring in a new clinical team member, a new hygienist or a new assistant or something like that, and you have your existing clinical team members, your assistants, your hygienists, sort of teaching them clinical systems. So sterilization and resupply and lab sort of stuff, and oh gosh, it's just so well thought out. The organization, the delivery of care is so well thought out. I just have to imagine the introduction of a new team member into these systems is refreshing, probably, for someone who's been at it for a while. Hopefully as easy as it could be, right? All things considered.